Hello everyone, my name is Victor Nokur and this is my video analysis of Managing Cross-Cultural Remote Teams by Ricardo Fernandez. In his video, he talked about his experience managing cross-cultural remote teams. However, in this video, I'm going to be analyzing his video while answering some of the questions from this week's discussion prompts. Some communication skills required when managing remote teams are clarity, cultural awareness, and empathy. In his TED Talk video, he talked about an instance where he wasn't very clear in his communication, and when working with his South African team member, he thought he was going to get a response ASAP. However, in South Africa, the way they communicate is a lot different. This tells us that when we're dealing with teams that are remote and from different cultures, we have to be culturally aware and be clear with our language, because the way we use language might not be the way they use it as well. Some relationship building skills required when managing teams are empathy and support, conflict resolution, and virtual team building. A good example from the TED Talk by Ricardo Fernandez was when he introduced his team to a book titled The Culture Map by Eric Mayer, and the effects were amazing. He explained about how this brought about unity in his team and made the team realize how each member of the team operates. Culture diversity and inclusion in management communication broadens perspective, builds trust, and reduces misunderstandings. By acknowledging and valuing our cultural differences, teams foster collaboration and cohesion. Embracing diversity stimulates innovation, leading to a more successful management strategy. The most effective method of communication when managing people varies based on different factors such as context, culture, and individual preferences. For example, texting someone like your friend or relation might be an appropriate way of communicating with them. However, this might not resonate with an older demographic of people. According to this chart of mobile communication preference of internet users in the United States, we can see that the older population, which is people 65 plus, are more likely to have communication through voice and less likely to text. However, we can also see that people around the age range of 30 to 44 are more likely to text rather than voice call. And then we can see that the highest population of people who like to video call are people in the range of 18 to 29. This is why it's important to understand your demographic of people, what culture they're from, before choosing what method of communication best suits your team. I hope you guys found my video and Ricardo's video very helpful. Personally, I enjoyed watching Ricardo's video because as someone who works as a Scrum Master in a software development environment, I work with team members who are in different parts of the world. Also, something I found really profound in the ending of his video was him saying that sometimes being away from your coworkers is not a bad thing, and that really resonated with me. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and I would like to interact with you all in the discussion board.